Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to explain clearly about input function in Python. See, so generally what is input function and where we are using input function. So normally, if you want to perform any operation, suppose I want to add two numbers, then how we are doing? Simply I am taking two values like a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Directly we are taking and we are printing the values called a plus b. It will print. But the question is, sir, I don't want to provide the values directly. No hard coding values. Directly, I don't want to assign the values directly. I just want to take the values. I want to read the values from the user while application is running. Then we are using input function. Simply, I just want to, in the first example, I just want to take the name and display. Simply, first we should ask print, enter your name. Enter your name. Then they will enter the name. That we have to collect actually. Input. This input function will read the data, will read the value, the name what you have entered, that will collect and it will store into suppose one variable called name. It will read the input from the keyboard. First this message will display on the keyboard, enter your name. Then we will enter. That entered value will come and store into this variable called name. And this name will print just with the message hello, just that name we are printing. Suppose if you entered the name Amar, consider hello Amar will print. And here input function is giving one chance. Here we are writing in two different statements. First we are printing, no, here only you can give the prompt directly. Input, here enter your name. Enter your name, that is input function is allowing to provide the prompt directly to get the input value that we are collecting into a variable called name and printing. Print that hello is the same story, is a name we are printing, is both are same. I just want to read two numbers and perform the addition operation. Collect into one variable called x. Next one, I want to read the second number. Input, enter second number. That we are collecting into variable called y. Now we are adding both. Simply z equal to x plus y, and then we are printing that z value. Here first whenever it is expecting that enter first number, if you enter 23, second number suppose if you enter 12, consider two numbers, that output will be concatenated value 2312. What we are expecting, if you are adding both, the value is a 35, but output will be 2312. The reason is simple. Input function always take the input in a string format only, text format only. The text you need to convert into that corresponding type by converting into that conversion function. Different conversion functions are there. I'll explain all the conversion functions. First of all, int is the conversion function that will convert any type into integer if possible. Suppose here in place of this one you have to write like this: z equal to integer of x plus integer of y. This will convert the string into integer, y string into integer. Then instead of getting the concatenated value, you will get the expected value simply. That is, sir, can we do this conversion directly while taking the values? Yes. See, you can see the output like this also. First, we are asking input, enter the first number. This first number will display in the output. They will enter one number that we are collecting into input, that we are converting into integer at the same time. We are collecting into variable x or a or any n1, n2. Second number we are collecting int input. Here it is second number we are collecting, and then we are printing. Of course, directly you can print the value is x plus y. This is the simple way of using input. Input function is used to read the values from the user while program is running. Input function always take the input in string format. We have to convert that string values into corresponding data types using the conversion functions. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.